Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will introduce Neo Blockchain. So first, what is Neo Blockchain? Neo is an open-source, community-driven blockchain platform. It is the most feature-complete blockchain platform for building decentralized applications. Vision: to be an open network for the smart economy. Mission: to make any asset, digital or physical, accessible by human beings and programs with minimized trust and permission. History: Neo was founded by Da Hongfei and Eric Zhang in 2014 under the name Antshares. The original source code was published to GitHub in July 2015, and the mainnet subsequently launched in October 2016. In 2017, Antshares was rebranded to Neo as it implemented Smart Contracts 2.0. It underwent aggressive global expansion as hundreds of new developers poured onto the blockchain. Neo leadership began distributing NEO token rewards to groups and individuals that contributed to the growth of the Neo platform. Some of the earliest groups to join Neo included COZ, Neo Econolabs, and O3 Labs. In 2021, Neo is being upgraded to version 3.0, known as N3. As a project that began in June 2018, the N3 upgrade represents the biggest advancement in Neo's history. It is aimed at bringing the first all-in-one blockchain development experience to the industry, packed with powerful native features. Neo N3 also boasts a simpler and more modular architecture than its predecessors, along with an improved governance and economic model. Neo was a pioneer in the early blockchain industry. Not only was it the first public smart contract platform to be founded in China, it was also the first chain to use a dual token model and the first to implement a BFT-style consensus mechanism. Execution philosophy. Over the years, Neo's organizational structure matured as its Shanghai-based operation grew from less than a dozen to over 50. The number of community groups dedicated to advancing Neo's technology also increased. Today, Neo has developers all over the world contributing to core development, infrastructure, and tooling, including alumni from organizations such as Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, Samsung, Dell, Seagate, and others. The main groups working on Neo can be broken down as follows: Neo Foundation, Core Developers, Neo Global Development, Sponsored Community Groups. In the eyes of the idealist, the overarching goal of Neo is to be a decentralized and open network for the smart economy. To this end, the Neo Foundation was established as a strategic guide for the Neo platform. As an organization, the Neo Foundation sets the overall goals for the project and provides funding to other self-governed groups to pursue these goals as they see fit. Neo has approached this issue by founding and joining several industry groups designed to establish standards, educate lawmakers, and increase access to infrastructure. In 2021, Neo will take its biggest step forward toward decentralization with the launch of Neo N3. NEO holders will have the opportunity to vote in a Neo Council responsible for governing the blockchain, running consensus nodes, and setting critical blockchain parameters such as transaction fees. Neo practices a philosophy of pragmatic idealism. Next, I will talk about Neo Technologies. All-in-one, since it was first founded, Neo has opted for the path less traveled. Not content with the compromises found in other platforms and the resulting poor developer or user experiences, Neo has sought to provide only the best in class across every possible category. With its pioneering consensus mechanism, original codebase, and multi-language developer-friendly infrastructure, Neo accepted no compromise. Neo is the one. Enter N3, the most significant upgrade to the Neo blockchain to date. At the protocol level, all users and applications will naturally benefit from its vastly improved architecture, meaning better performance, simplicity, and ease of use, improved economics, and the introduction of on-chain governance to ensure the platform's longevity in a decentralized manner. Rather than simply compete with existing developers in a niche industry, it opens the floodgates to the millions of traditional developers who are ready to take their first step into this brave new world. And once you've tried Neo, you'll never settle for less. Smart contracts. Your language, your way. Courtesy of its global development communities, Neo's tooling and infrastructure already supports numerous languages. Developers can write, compile, and deploy contracts written in C#, Python, Go, TypeScript, and Java. Neo strives to be the most developer-friendly blockchain. It achieves this with full-stack development tools for multiple programming languages. Neo believes in bringing blockchain technology to developers rather than forcing developers to learn new languages or tools. Smarter contracts. The N3 smart contract system introduces a wide range of new functionality to improve the contract development experience for developers. Benefits also extend to off-chain applications. Improvements such as the new contract upgrade mechanism eliminate the issue of contract hash changes and ensure data is retained. The price is right. Developers will also note a dramatic reduction in the costs of deploying and executing smart contracts. With fees lowered by an average of approximately 100 times, N3 provides a far more competitively priced platform to developers. Combined with the gas inflation mechanism and the burning of system fees, a sustainable economic model has been established. All fees related to the contract system are now adjustable through the on-chain governance mechanism, providing the additional benefit of resistance to market volatility on the Neo system as the price of gas changes. NeoFS. NeoFS is a distributed, decentralized object storage network. NeoFS nodes are organized in a peer-to-peer network that takes care of storing and distributing users' files. Any Neo user can participate in the NeoFS network and get paid for providing storage resources to other users or store his data in NeoFS and pay a competitive price for it. Your files are stored as objects in containers created by you, and you can share your files in various ways. NeoID. NeoID is a decentralized identity tool that allows users to create and manage decentralized identifiers, issue claims as a data verifier. Users can tap into these verified credentials to gain access to applications without ever needing to share their private data, retaining full sovereignty and preventing its possible misuse. Oracle. Open your world with native oracles. With the native Oracle service introduced in N3, it becomes trivial for any developer to tap into any external resources over HTTPS. Contracts deployed on Neo can invoke the native Oracle contract to trigger a data request, specifying a target URL and a filter. Oracle nodes, elected through the Neo Council, will work together to guarantee the truthfulness and reliability of the results. Decentralize everything. With the power of Neo's native Oracle and NeoFS, blockchain-based applications can take the next step forward into true decentralization. Any extra data required by an application can simply be stored off-chain with NeoFS and then retrieved in a decentralized manner through the Oracle service. Smart contracts can fetch and manipulate data off-chain in an uncensorable, reliable, and tamper-proof manner. NEO Name Service. NEO Name Service, NNS, is a decentralized name service built as a native service on the NEO blockchain. It is used to map human-readable domain names to different types of data, such as IP addresses, aliases, or other strings. Aliases also prove useful in various other situations. In NeoFS, they can be used as aliases for stored containers, or used to configure GeoDNS for the NeoFS CDN for improved data retrieval speeds. Applied in this manner, applications can ensure their users encounter minimal latency and fast download speeds while retaining all the benefits of true decentralized storage. NNS employs an innovative NFT-based approach. Each domain is represented as an NFT, enabling NNS users to freely transfer the ownership of domain names. All necessary functionality for a complete domain lifecycle is provided, including registry, renewal, resolution, expiration, and permission control. DBFT 2.0 One-block finality, maximum confidence. Since its inception, NEO has championed a BFT-powered, safety-first approach that has been rapidly gaining in popularity in the blockchain industry. NEO's consensus mechanism, delegated Byzantine fault tolerance, represents a new evolution of the groundbreaking PBFT. It immediately eliminates the possibility of transaction reversal. All applications based on NEO's Layer 1 inherit this safety property. With NEO, users can always enjoy fast, low-cost transactions that are fully finalized within a single block. Democratic decentralization. Like other proof-of-stake-based blockchains, NEO combines cryptographic tools and game theory to establish a robust and sustainable network. Governance voting by NEO stakeholders ensures all participants are economically aligned in a shared interest to safeguard the blockchain and its growing ecosystem. This democratic mechanism provides the NEO blockchain with all the tools required to fully decentralize control over the network. Interoperability. NEO strives to be the best platform for building decentralized applications. It achieves this with an unmatched feature set for blockchain that is accessible to developers of all backgrounds. So easy, it feels native. NEO makes cross-chain interaction as easy as a native transaction. Users and applications on the NEO blockchain can easily send assets or tap services from all other participating networks through bridges. Developer experience. Supporting multiple languages is only one small part of what NEO offers to developers. It caters to varying end-user needs with both traditional and web-based IDE integrations. One-stop-shop smart contract and DApp development frameworks are also provided to quickly bootstrap developers and get them up and running as architects for the next-generation Internet. Thanks to the contributions of NEO's independent developer community, users can begin creating applications for the NEO blockchain without ever needing to install any software. Now, we will learn about NEO's two-token model, which allows users to participate in the ecosystem without reducing their stake in the network. NEO is unique in that it was the first public blockchain platform to adopt a dual-token mechanism. It separates the rights of governance from the rights of using the network. It also provides a means of acquiring the tokens needed to pay transaction fees. NEO Token. With a total of 100 million tokens, NEO has two main features: the right to vote in election to determine NEO council members, the right to claim gas needed to perform transactions on the NEO network. Gas token. The NEO network charges gas for the operation and storage of tokens and smart contracts. 5 gas tokens are generated every block and distributed in 3 parts. 10% goes to NEO token holders. 80% goes to voters. Another 10% goes to council members. The largest portion of gas is distributed to voters as a reward for playing an active role in network governance. NEO holders will need to ensure they choose a wallet that supports voting if they wish to participate. In June 2024, NEO officially launched the NEO-X chain. NEO-X is an EVM-compatible sidechain incorporating NEO's distinctive DBFT consensus mechanism. Serving as a bridge between NEO-N3 and the widely used EVM network, NEO-X will play a crucial role in expanding the NEO ecosystem and offering developers more opportunities for innovation. Main features: DBFT governance. Leveraging the Decibit per-second consensus mechanism, NEO-X employs a multi-node governance system. 7 consensus nodes collaboratively process transactions on-chain and participate in voting to determine parameters on the NEO-X blockchain, such as blacklisted addresses and minimum required gas tip. Ethereum Virtual Machine Compatibility. NEO-X node is fully compatible with all Ethereum VM features. Bridge between NEO-X and NEO-N3. NEO-X supports bidirectional token transfers between NEO-X, EVM, and NEO-N3, NEO-VM. Key features include bidirectional bridging of assets, seamless movement of gas between networks, improving liquidity and flexibility. Enhanced stability and security. Bridge upgradability. Token support. We have laid the groundwork to include NEP17 and ERC20 tokens, such as the NEO token, in future versions of the bridge. On the NEO-X chain, you will use gas tokens to vote. Using the gas rewards you earn on the NEO-N3 chain to vote on the NEO-X chain and earn more gas tokens is a good option. Here are some wallets I recommend you use to vote and hold assets on the NEO blockchain. All of them have PC and mobile versions. I will end this video here. Please like and subscribe to support me. Thank you.